Hi, guys. My name is Carter Higginbottom, and I'll be informing you a little bit about the role of artificial intelligence in digital marketing. Let's get started. First, let me tell you a little bit about what artificial intelligence is. So, what AI is the simulation of a human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. And most say the most important characteristic of AI is its ability to rationalize and take actions to have the best chance of achieving a specific goal. So, now that you know a little bit about artificial intelligence, let me tell you about the role between artificial intelligence and digital marketing. So, AI has the ability to predict products, services, or content that we as consumers like and we often visit or shop and stuff like that. So there are three major ways AI plays a role in digital marketing. The first is auctioning for keywords or advertising space. The second is identifying target customers. And the third is sending messages or making content. And I'll dive into each in a little more specific detail. The first major role that artificial intelligence plays in digital marketing is its ability to auction for keywords or advertising space. So we all know that AI calculates a lot better than people do. And it's because AIs they have access to a lot of information and they're able to hold that information and with algorithms. So what happens is a good example that we've seen in class is through the keyword auction and the Google AdWords. So what happens is a company comes, they bid on a keyword if a customer clicks on it, right? And then as the customer clicks on it, the ad, the company tells the AI, say, pay this much amount, X amount, if the customer is interested in the content that the company has to offer. This is called a lead. So then AI will then go to find the lead in a statement set by the company, which if which is if somebody searches for any of the keywords, AI will immediately know what that person is using on the app and where that person is using the app from. And so it's kind of personal. You can see how AI has the ability to do that, kind of track people and where they're at and looking up. And here's a picture of Robbie Williams. He has a song called "The Advertising Space," so I just threw that in there because I just thought it was funny. You should definitely go give it a listen. Yeah. So the second major role that artificial intelligence plays in digital marketing is its ability to identify target customers. So in the old type of marketing way, a company needs to know when trying to sell a product, needs to know all these things you see on the screen about their target customers. So gender, age, hobbies, income, where they live at, all that stuff, occupation. But with AI, those characteristics are kind of not seen as they're still valuable, but they're not seen as valuable because AI has the ability to take information that the customers have already once they've come to the store what they bought and they develop with an algorithm the tendencies of those customers. So then again, as I mentioned before, you kind of see this personal, even a more personal thing than just knowing your gender, age, and where you live at. You see kind of them, the AIs have the ability to see what your behavior is like. The last major role that artificial intelligence plays in digital marketing is its ability to send messages and make content. So what this means, it's a pretty simple concept. Basically, a customer consumer will come in and or call the store, the company, whatever it may be, email in, and what happens is the AI based off of words and sentences that the customer sent in can then kind of read that stuff in a way and reply with its own message to that message, which is kind of creepy once you think about it, because yes, they it's not that they consciously know what is going on, but based off of algorithms, they can piece together, almost like reading it in a way. So it's kind of a creepy concept. Like it's almost like they can read it, but they can't. But it's more like they can. So lastly, here is the discussion questions. So do you think artificial intelligence is playing too big of a role in digital marketing? And do you like how AI is able to continuously monitor our behavior online? So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Hope you guys have a good week.